Welcome to the Opus OP4 setup video, where we'll show you the simple process from beginning to end. This video features one person doing the setup of the camper. However, having an assistant makes for easier setup. So remember, when using an assistant, be mindful of where they are during any procedure, so as not to cause accidental injury. Before unhitching your camper from your vehicle, ensure you firmly apply the handbrake. We recommend placing wheel chocks in front of and behind at least one wheel of the camper. However, in some cases, you may only choose to use one wheel chock, depending on the slope of the ground. Before unhitching your camper, if you notice the camper is on uneven ground and sitting lower on one side, consider using a wheel ramp to raise up that side of the camper until it is level. Keep in mind, you can use the jockey wheel to level the camper front to rear once it is unhitched from your vehicle. It should now be safe to unhitch your camper. Move around your OP4 and remove all the pins from the latches from the roof cage and lid. Keep the two brass roof cage locking pins close, as you'll need these in a moment. To keep track of your pins when not in use, store them in the control panel compartment. This will make them easy to locate when packing down your camper. Next step is to lift the roof cage. The roof cage is the perfect way to carry lighter items. Before raising the roof cage, ensure these items are removed. Release the two roof cage latches and push the roof cage upward. The gas struts will assist in taking most of the weight. Secure the roof cage in the vertical position, with the locking pins you removed earlier. Next, release the two latches on the front lid. Then move to the opposite side and lift the single latch on that side. Fold the front lid over. The bed lid is gas strut assisted for easy opening closing, but always ensure you support the lid when it's folding in either direction. Secure the front lid with the two lid locking latches. Pull the tent canvas over the front lid corners. Make your way to the rear of your OP4 camper. Undo the two locking pins and lower down your spare tyre. Then finally, gently lower the rear lid support poles to the ground. Move to the side of your OP4 and release the two rear lid latches. Repeat this step on the opposite side of your OP4. And release the remaining two rear lid latches. Once all latches have been released, you'll notice the lid starting to lift. Again, fold the rear lid over. Once folded over, allow the lid to rest in its fully open position. Remove both brass locking pins underneath the lid. Then raise one of the lid support poles into its bracket and secure with the brass locking pin. Repeat this step for the remaining lid support pole. Your OP4 rear bed lid is now structurally supported. Pull the tent canvas over the rear lid corners. Now you're almost ready to inflate your OP4. To do so, ensure you close all 5 valves located on the main tent. Ensure they're sealed tight to stop any air leakage. For those wanting to use the annex, now is the time to attach it. please refer to our video on attaching the annex to your camper for further information. Now head to the control panel. Press the main power button, the pump power button, and then the air pump start button. You'll hear the compressor motor start. This will indicate that your inflation is underway. While you wait for the tent to inflate, open up the camper door and fold out the steps. Then move around the camper and lower all 4 stabilizer legs. To speed up the process of lowering and raising the stabilizing legs, try using a cordless drill with the correct attachment. Extend the leg stabilizers with the winder handle so they're in firm contact with the ground. Please note, these leg stabilizers are not to be used as jacks. Inspect inside the camper to ensure all air beams are correctly positioned. The pump will automatically shut off once your OP4 has reached its required inflation pressure. Walk around your OP4 and ensure all the canvas is fastened down and the elastic straps are hooked to the anchor points. Now enter inside your OP4 and remember to close the shut-off valve, located at the base of the main beam, as this will ensure your tent remains inflated for your entire camping trip. The internal travel layout of your OP4 will look like this. The base of the couch will remain in position, and the back cushions are located on the folding table, side bench, and floor. Remove the folding table to enable more space. Place the 2 curved corner back cushions at the rear of the seating area. Then place the rear back cushion in between the 2 corner cushions. Now place the 2 side back cushions on either side of the camper. If you're having trouble determining which are the side cushions, an easy way to identify them is by checking if one side of the cushion is without Velcro. Once all cushions are in place, push down on them so they slot in firmly behind the base cushions. Lastly, use the press studs to clip the canvas door neatly to the camper. Congratulations! Your Opus OP4 camper is now ready to use and enjoy.